How to share Instagram profile link on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Instagram. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can view and edit your profile information. Now, tap on Share Profile as shown. Over here, you can see the different sharing options available. Tap on Copy Link to send the link to your profile to your friends. You can also select Share to Profile. This will open the share sheet. Swipe to view and choose the sharing method or platform that you want. For example, messages. You can now share your profile with your friends via message. Following these steps, you can easily share Instagram profile link on iPhone.